Hey, Chicago! Power in Chicago is back, and we're thrilled to present the 111th annual Chicago Holiday Tree Lighting.
It's Christmas, you know? It's just one of those things that's got a good, happy feeling to it, and good to be a part of it.
Chicago is just long-standing traditions. 111 years they've been doing this tree lighting. We've been serving Chicagoland for 102 years now.
I'm very grateful first for Taylor Electric to let me come over here out of all the apprentices.
Think, oh, I'm lighting a Christmas tree. It's a big Christmas tree, so that was a little different than anything we've done before.
This is Chicago. No matter where you live, you deserve to experience the fruit of all that is possible in this country.
It means a lot to me because I was born and raised in Chicago, and I know this is a big thing here in Chicago. To be out here representing Local 134 and Taylor Electric, it's a piece of Chicago history that I could be able to tell my family and friends that I was part of.
This iconic moment has been just wonderful. It speaks to the resilience of the city, the longevity of the city, the resilience of Taylor Electric and the longevity of Taylor Electric.
I'd like to thank our Chicago partners, the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, Local 134, and the Electrical Contractors Association of Chicago and Cook County for their steadfast support. Special thanks to Kendra Jenkins and Taylor Electric Company, who took the lead on this year's campaign to light our magnificent tree.
This just warms my heart that we can continue to light up Chicago 100 years and beyond.
You know, typically when you're working on a construction job, you got a set assignment, where this is like we're constantly communicating to having to maneuver around a massive tree with a group of guys, a little more coordination constantly. Communication is just a really big thing to execute this.
The lights, we had to make sure we secured them correctly, used thousands of cable ties, a lot of wind, anything could come loose, but we made sure we cable tied them really good and try to follow the color code that was chosen.
Prefab is basically where you try to get as much work done off-site and then bring that material to the site so it can be installed.
We put 70,000 lights on the tree, 1,400 strings, 6 miles worth of lights. LED versus incandescent, I think it was a 70% savings if you had done incandescent versus the LED lights.
We have a solid crew that I know that we put our heads together and came out with a plan that so far is working great.
There's so many people that played such a huge part in this whole process and making sure that we honor them and get them involved and reflect all of their work.
Every morning we test it, and it brings a smile to my face. The moment they turn it on, I'm not gonna be looking at the tree, I'm gonna be looking around to those that are close to me to see if they have the same reaction that I do every morning when we test it.
It's really looking great, really excited to see the final product. Honored to be part of it.
This tree lighting event, it symbolizes the joy and fellowship that this season brings. On behalf of Power Chicago, we want to wish you all a warm and safe holiday season. Let's enjoy the holiday season and let's get ready to light the tree. God bless you, Chicago.